Hi, my name is Sumit Tamala, and I'm the co-founder of CuperHacks.
Hi, I'm Andrew Chong, and I'm the VP of Technology.
And today we'd like to introduce you to the opening ceremony of CuperHacks. So first, we'll be going over the schedule of CuperHacks. After the opening ceremony is a group mixer, where we'll be giving out a Discord link for members to join, to socialize, and to also create groups between 1 and 5 people. At 11:30 a.m., we'll be having an introduction to Python workshop. Then at 2:30 p.m., we'll be having an introduction to Java workshop. And then on Sunday at 9 a.m., all projects are due and judging will begin. Between 9 and 9:30 a.m., will be a raffle and a Brawl Stars tournament for all people to join on Zoom. And then at 11 a.m., awards and closing ceremony will occur, where all final competitors will be chosen for who won. For the group mixer at 9:30, we'll be sending out a Discord link at 9:30 to all the competitors, and basically you can just join Discord and just socialize with other people to create teams between 1 and 5. If you do have a team between 1 and 5 people, that's totally fine. You can keep those teams, you know how to change and have to find other people.
So the workshops we're going to offer, our morning workshop, which occurs at 11:30 a.m., is basically just going to be an introduction to Python. This workshop is really great for beginners that have recently just started learning coding. This basically just introduces you to Python. And it's also great for people who already know Python but just want a quick refresher. Our afternoon workshop at 2:30 p.m. is basically going to be an introduction to backend development with Java. It's great for beginners that are familiar with Java already and would like to learn some basics for backend development. So if you already know the Java language itself and you would like to set up a server side for your project, then this is a great workshop to get started off with that. So our submission process. And by the way, submissions are due at 9 a.m. So how to submit your project is you go on the CuperHacks website, scroll down to submissions. Right here, this will basically be a link to a Google form, which is where you submit. And here you would have your group name. So it could be anything you want. For example, the Cool Coders. You would have your name of participants, your project description. So just describe your what your project does here in 1 or 2 paragraphs. How is it built? So in here, describe what technologies you used, and also describe what did you use to host it, or like any platform services that you use. For example, if you guys use Firebase or AWS Amplify, anything like that, then please include it right here. And here, please describe your coding experience and the challenges you faced. So right here, you would put, if you're a beginner, this part is important. Please mention that you're a beginner, because then that will help you qualify for Best Beginner. Here you have 2 ways to submit your video demonstration. You can either send a link to a YouTube or some other website which uploads videos, or you can upload a file directly right here. And our videos can only be 3 minutes max. And if you want to upload a file, you can just write none in here. And right here will basically just be the link to the code. So that this can be a GitHub repo, or it can be a repo, or it can be a link to a zip file, something like that. And here is basically what categories are you submitting your project to. By the way, up here, before you do this file, please read our CuperHacks guide. So here we have our code of conduct, our rules, but please read this before you submit.
All right, so now I'll be going over the prizes. So for first place, we'll be giving out drones. Second place will be getting speakers. Third place will be getting $30 Amazon gift cards per person. Best user interface gets $25. Best Corner Relay application gets $25. Best beginner gets a Wolfram 1 account. And the runner-ups 1, 2, and 3 all get Wolfram 1 accounts. And please make sure that if you are gonna, if you want to become a Best Beginner winner, then you have to notify that you are a beginner coder on the Google form. So for this background, the theme it's pretty open. There's no really set theme. As long as you do have a project by the end of the hackathon that you can submit by 9 a.m., you'll be fine. And also, it doesn't have to be finished. The code doesn't have to be all there. It can just be like an idea too, or it can just be like impartial code. That's totally fine. You can still be selected for a prize. All right, and we'd like to thank our sponsors. because without them, this wouldn't be happening. So all these people, including Bugsy, Wolfram, Aox, Cloudsploit, Lino, Sosido, Sticker Mule, Balsamic, and all these people like Magoosh, we'd like to thank them a lot for giving us the right amount of funds and promotions to make sure that this event happens. We also have to thank our partners, Oxfam, Elevate the Future Engineers Camp, and Svarvedika. We'll be releasing some videos that we have personally asked them to make for this hackathon alone. And please check them out because they really apply to how we can help spread the awareness of giving children a second chance at education, especially in a lot of underdeveloped areas like in Guatemala and some villages in India and also in Africa.
Okay, thanks for attending the opening ceremony. If you guys have any more questions, then you can contact us. And our contact information should be in the website, or you can contact on the Discord directly.
Yeah, you can just email us at CuperHacks@gmail.com. CuperHacks@gmail.com.